Introduction to Human Resource Management. Human Resource Management, HRM, is the strategic approach to the effective management of people in a company or organization, such that they help their business gain a competitive advantage. It is designed to maximize employee performance in service of an employer's strategic objectives. HRM focuses on policies and systems. The primary goal of HRM is to ensure that the organization has the right people with the right skills at the right time. This involves a wide range of activities aimed at attracting, developing, motivating, and retaining a high-performing workforce. Effective HRM contributes significantly to organizational success and sustainability. Evolution of human resource management. Historically, HR functions were primarily administrative, focusing on payroll, compliance, and basic personnel record keeping. This personnel management era was largely reactive, dealing with employee issues as they arose, rather than proactively shaping the workforce. The emphasis was on control and adherence to rules. The shift to human resource management began in the mid-20th century, recognizing employees as valuable assets rather than mere costs. This evolution emphasized employee development, motivation, and strategic alignment with business goals. Modern HRM integrates psychological, sociological, and economic principles to optimize human capital. Strategic role of human resource management. Strategic HRM involves linking HR practices directly to the overall business strategy of an organization. This means HR is not just a support function, but an active partner in achieving organizational objectives. It ensures that HR policies and programs contribute to the company's competitive advantage. Key aspects include workforce planning, talent acquisition, performance management, and compensation strategies that are all aligned with the company's long-term vision. By integrating HR into strategic planning, organizations can better adapt to market changes and foster a high-performance culture. This proactive approach helps predict future talent needs and develop capabilities. Key functions of human resource management. The core functions of HRM encompass a broad range of activities essential for managing an organization's human capital effectively. These functions are interconnected and contribute to creating a productive and engaged workforce. They include attracting, developing, and retaining talent. Understanding human resource planning. Human resource planning, HRP, is the process of anticipating and making provisions for the movement of people into, within, and out of an organization. It ensures that the organization has the right number and type of people at the right time to achieve its strategic objectives. HRP is a proactive process. The primary purpose of HRP is to align the organization's human resources with its business goals, ensuring optimal utilization of talent. Benefits include improved productivity, reduced labor costs, and enhanced organizational adaptability. It also helps in identifying future skill gaps. Forecasting HR demand involves predicting the future need for employees within an organization. This process considers various factors including business growth, technological changes, market trends, and organizational restructuring. Accurate demand forecasting is crucial for effective HR planning. Forecasting HR supply involves predicting the availability of employees, both internally within the organization and externally in the labor market. This assessment helps determine if the current workforce and external talent pools can meet future demand. It considers factors like employee turnover and retirement rates. HR planning strategies. Once HR demand and supply are forecasted, organizations develop strategies to address any gaps or surpluses. These strategies aim to balance the workforce needs with available talent, ensuring optimal staffing levels and capabilities. Strategic responses are crucial for organizational agility. Introduction to job analysis. Job analysis is a systematic process of collecting and analyzing information about the content, context, and human requirements of a job. It is a fundamental HR activity that provides the basis for many other HR functions. The goal is to understand what a job entails. Job description components. A job description is a written statement that describes the duties, responsibilities, reporting relationships, and working conditions of a job. It serves as a crucial document for both employees and management, providing clarity on expectations. It outlines what the job holder does. Job specification components. A job specification is a statement of the minimum qualifications, skills, knowledge, and abilities, KSAs, an individual needs to perform a job successfully. It focuses on the human requirements for the role, complementing the job description by outlining who is suitable for the position. This helps in candidate screening. Principles of job design. Job design is the process of structuring work and tasks in a way that optimizes efficiency, productivity, and employee satisfaction. It involves defining the content, functions, and relationships of jobs to achieve organizational goals. Effective job design can significantly impact motivation and performance. Overview of recruitment. Recruitment is the process of identifying, attracting, interviewing, selecting, hiring, and onboarding employees. It is a critical step in building a strong workforce, ensuring that organizations have a pool of qualified candidates for open positions. The goal is to find the best fit. Recruitment process steps. The recruitment process typically follows a structured series of steps to ensure efficiency and effectiveness in attracting and selecting the right talent. Each step builds upon the previous one, leading to a successful hire. This systematic approach minimizes errors. Introduction to selection. Selection is the process of choosing the most suitable candidates from the pool of applicants to fill vacant positions. It is a critical decision-making process that aims to identify individuals who possess the necessary skills, knowledge, and abilities, as well as cultural fit. Effective selection reduces turnover. The primary goal of selection is to match the right person to the right job, contributing to organizational productivity and employee satisfaction. A robust selection process uses various tools and techniques to assess candidates comprehensively. It is distinct from recruitment, which focuses on attracting candidates. Selection methods. Organizations utilize a variety of selection methods to evaluate candidates' qualifications, skills, and potential. The choice of methods depends on the job requirements, organizational culture, and available resources. A combination of methods often provides the most comprehensive assessment. Interviewing techniques. Interviews are a widely used selection method, allowing employers to assess a candidate's communication skills, personality, and fit with the organizational culture. Effective interviewing requires careful planning, active listening, and objective evaluation. It's a two-way street for information exchange. Making selection decisions. After all selection methods have been applied, the final step is to make an informed decision on which candidate to hire. This involves synthesizing all collected data, comparing candidates against job specifications, and considering organizational fit. The goal is to select the best possible candidate. Understanding performance management. Performance management is a continuous process of identifying, measuring, and developing the performance of individuals and teams, and aligning their performance with the strategic goals of the organization. It is a holistic approach, not just an annual event. Its aim is to improve organizational effectiveness. Performance appraisal methods. Performance appraisal is a formal assessment of an employee's job performance over a specific period, typically conducted annually. It is a component of performance management, providing a structured way to evaluate contributions and identify areas for improvement. Various methods exist to conduct these appraisals. Feedback and coaching. Effective feedback and coaching are essential for employee development and performance improvement. Feedback provides information on past performance, while coaching focuses on guiding future behavior and skill development. Both are continuous processes. Managing poor performance. Addressing poor performance is a critical aspect of performance management that requires a structured and supportive approach. The goal is to help employees improve rather than simply punishing them. Early intervention is often key. Training and development. Training and development are crucial HR functions aimed at enhancing employees' skills, knowledge, and abilities to improve current job performance and prepare for future roles. Training typically focuses on immediate job-related skills, while development has a broader, long-term career focus. Both are investments in human capital. Compensation and benefits. Compensation and benefits refer to the total rewards employees receive in exchange for their work. This includes direct financial payments, wages, salaries, bonuses, and indirect payments, benefits. A well-designed compensation and benefit system attracts, motivates, and retains talent. Employee relations. Employee relations is the management of the relationship between employers and employees. It aims to foster a positive, productive, and harmonious work environment, ensuring fair treatment, effective communication, and conflict resolution. Strong employee relations contribute to high morale and reduced turnover. Health and safety in HRM. Workplace health and safety is a critical aspect of human resource management, focusing on protecting employees from hazards and promoting their well-being. It involves creating a safe working environment and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. A safe workplace is a productive workplace. HR metrics and analytics. HR metrics and analytics involve using data to measure the effectiveness of HR initiatives and make informed decisions. Metrics are specific measurements, example, turnover rate, while analytics involve interpreting these metrics to identify trends, predict outcomes, and provide strategic insights. This data-driven approach enhances HR's strategic value.